Most engine misfires are caused by just 3 parts, and one of them is often ignored. We'll cover the top 3 culprits and how to spot them. Start with spark plugs. They wear out quickly and weaken spark. Worn spark plugs create a weak spark. Common signs include rough idle and noticeably worse mileage. You may feel hesitation when accelerating from a stop. Cold starts get harder, especially on older plugs. A failing ignition coil cannot deliver enough voltage to the spark plug. Failing coils cause shaking, cylinder misfires, and power loss. You might even see a flashing check engine light. Confirm with tests. Don't replace coils without proper checks. When plugs or coils fail, the engine struggles to produce power. Power drops and throttle response feels sluggish. Fuel use climbs even with gentle driving. A steady or flashing check engine light often appears. Weak spark reduces overall engine output and efficiency. But if spark plugs and coils are working properly, check the fuel pump. Next, verify fuel pressure. Start at the pump. Low pressure triggers hesitation, stumbling, or stalling. Hard starting is another common low pressure symptom. If spark components pass, test pump pressure and flow. Always scan codes and run basic tests first. Confirm with compression or leak down when needed. Avoid guessing. Prove the fault before buying parts. Fix it right the first time. Follow AutoClinic for simple car advice.